Hello and welcome to the weekly market report for the USDJPY. Again, as I've mentioned in all the other market reports, it's good to know where the longer term viewpoint is of any market, so that you can always look at the larger, longer term charts first before sort of narrowing down onto the daily charts. Once you know longer term sort of aspects, then that gives you a very good indication of what might be happening in the current market and also into the future. So with the yen, we have a 10-month longer term cycle that has recently ended, and also which is dominant to the smaller term cycles, and also we have a 15-week cycle on the yen as well. So another point of interest was that we also have if I can find where it is, I think I have to scroll down. See the dotted line? We have a double bottom at the moment with a long-term low, which was back in, from memory, it doesn't like that I move the charts around a lot, so back in 95 roughly. So I'm going to pause this while I move the charts back. So going back in time when we were watching this market fall down sort of back in October and November, it was interesting to see the market turn. We were expecting a fairly significant rally out because of the 10-month, and also the double bottom was only I don't know, 40 points away, or not that far away at all before, and the market turned. So these cycles can be really powerful in predicting where turns are going to be. Once you see all these sorts of events piling up, you can sort of predict quite accurately, even to the date of when the market's going to be turning. So we have witnessed the market rally out, and then it has pulled back for a number of weeks. It did create a lower low on a weekly chart, which was a little bit unusual. That's one thing that's concerning me, whether this is going to be a bull or a bear cycle. Normally out of a 10-month you'll have the first cycle being a bull, but you know, as there's always that smaller percentage of times when it will go not in the typical way or characteristics that the cycle should go. So we've actually passed the midpoint in the current trading cycle. We're looking to only go long in this market at the moment, just for that it is most likely going to be rallying up higher than any of these points here. We only took half positions, seeing as though we are past the midpoint, and typically I'm not really that it's not my favorite trading to be going long past a midpoint, but you still can get in. Seeing as though it's the end of a longer term cycle, you can get into some really nice trades, because they sort of tend to make their crest even within the actual time zone. So we've still got a little while left to go, and we can grab a few pips along the way. So money management is quite essential during these certain times when the trades are not as high probability as they normally are. But that's the yen, and if you'd like to have a look at our auto trading, our private client auto trading, please head over to www.unearthfinancial.com.au. Bye for now. Have a great day.